Okay, this is Miss J. I've gotten a lot of people that have asked me to do a tutorial on how to get them into their Google Sites. So what I'm going to show you right now is I need you to go to a go get a Google Chrome, and then from Google Chrome, you're going to put up in here, you're going to put up in your address bar here, put www dot balts.org distance learning. Okay, once you click on that, next thing you're going to do is you're going to find Tillman. Click on Tillman, and Tillman should come up. Once Tillman comes up, go to the middle here where it says Tillman Middle School Portal. Go ahead and click on that. Brings you to wherever you want to be. All right, so here is for ELA and ELD. There's all the teachers there. Let's say you have Lucas. Okay, so click on Lucas. Once you click on Lucas, you're going to find her particular Google Sites page. There it is right there. See, you can see there is her meet hours. Okay, you can see over here your Google Classroom codes, her Google Classroom codes for email, and you can find out a little bit about her, and then do some things here, and schedule, Khan Academy, all that kind of stuff. It's all there. Okay, cool. All right, so let's say you're looking for science. Let's say so you're in 8th grade. So let's say you're in Hunt. So you click on Hunt's class. You'll be able to find it here. All right, there's Hunt's class. Okay, and all the codes are, oops, excuse me, darn it. All the codes are right here. So that's Miss Hunt. All her Google Classroom stuff is right there. Plus sign, signing in, tells a little bit about her, the clever stuff, the Khan Academy, Google Earth, that's all there. That's her. Okay, so let's say you have an elective. So it's under the more. So you click on more, and then you click on electives, and then there's going to be a drop down. All right, so because it's me, click on Jonovich. And it's not robotics, guys. I'm sorry. Miss J's class is going to be coding, Verizon, and computer science. Um, there's my Google Classroom codes. There's my office hours. My Google Meets nickname is Jonovich, and my email is right there. And here's all your classroom codes. And then if you go down here, there's just a little bit about me. These are important things here. You got Clever, you got Student Webmail and Student View, all there. And then down here on the bottom, you have Lego Mindstorm, which we won't be doing right now. Tinkercad, we won't be doing either. And Minecraft, we may be doing. Then you have Khan Academy, the PLTW, and the Canvas. So some of these Verizon classes will be using the Canvas, and the Khan Academy will be for, excuse me, a few of them. Sorry. All right. So there's everything, and I will put this wonderful tutorial in the stream of all of my classes. All right. Have a great one. Thanks. See you later. Bye from Miss J.